Good morning, everyone. Scott here with Luxury Car Care, and wanted to do a quick introduction to the next video. 2022 Porsche GT4. So this car was in, I'm pretty sure I did a video on it maybe 6-8 months ago now, probably 6 months ago, in for ceramic coating, Gtechniq Crystal Serum ceramic coating, wheels off service, all the plastic was treated and ceramic coated, glass. It was brand new, just off the truck car. He's been tracking the heck out of it and driving. He's got 5,200 miles on it already. And she looks dirty. So anyway, just a quick video. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this one. It's gonna be short and sweet, but I wanted to quickly show you all of the rubber that we're gonna be getting off here. I predict probably, I don't know, 75% of it will come off with just the pressure washer because it's ceramic. That's all tire. All this is coated as well. So I'm gonna hit the wheels. They're dirty, but nothing special. There is rubber on them, and then I'll get a rinse down and I'll bring it and I'll quickly show you what it looks like after rinse. Okay, so wheels are done, quick rinse, and what I'm finding is, these aren't like big, most of this is not, they're not large chunks that are like, stuck to the coating. A lot of it they're like melted on rubber, so it's not going to come off with pressure washer, which is fine. What I'll need to do is use some glue and tar remover. I did that over here already. On some of this down here, over here. You can even see like the hydrophobic properties are still really good on the coating. But you can see how this is starting to flatten out here. But I just did a quick cleaning of this area, and look how this is pulled back to almost basically like new, where this, this whole area around it is flat. That's just still dirty, but that's why you got to clean it and decon it. So I'm going to go around and give it a quick wash, get the dirt off of it, and then I'm going to go around and hit all the rubber spots. I'm going to use bone tar remover plus microfiber and just touch each of those spots, get the rubber off. Then I'm going to give it another quick wash and then pull it in for dry, and I got to get the jams real fast, and then pull it in dry and hit it with some C2V3.
Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.
That's what ceramic coating looks like.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
6-7 months in,
You don't
driving the
ever
hell out
wanna
of it.
give me
Looks
wings.
amazing.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
Okay, she's clean. I think I got all the tar. Gone around it twice now. Washed it twice. And I'm sure I'm going to find a spot once I get it dry, like I just found a little in there. So, but I'm going to go around, dry it, hit it with some C2V3, and then give it one more quick look, and then do the tires when the outside's done, and I got to work on the inside.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you...
All right, that's a wrap, guys. She's back to almost like new. The coating, you should have seen in the video, the coating's looking amazing. You know, there are, when I talked to the client, there are a couple spots where the rubber, you know, a lot of it was hard, some of it was pretty hard to get off. So I let the chemical do as much as I could, but some of it's eating, you know, I think it's eating into the ceramic, maybe even into the clear coat a little bit, because it's just not, there's light halos of it left over. That tells me that it's kind of embedding in. I don't know if it's from the heat from the rubber, or if it's that it's been on there a while and it's sitting in the sun and the sun's baking it a little bit, which is probably what's happening. So I'll let him know. I don't want to go, you know, I think it'll polish out, but obviously if I polish it out, I'd likely do some damage to the ceramic. This is Ultra on here. Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. So polishing generally isn't supposed to remove it because of the hardness of it. You generally have to wet sand it, but I have removed it before on another car that I was repairing from another detailer, and it did remove by a compound and then polish. So anyway, it looks great. Let me just walk you around here. So let me walk you around and you can take a look. This was just covered in rubber streaks. There's a huge one right here, big remnants of rubber. So the wheels look amazing again. So full interior detail wasn't too bad. You know, the normal, I use Gtechniq interior cleaner pretty much on everything except for the glass. And then the Alcantara, I used Alcantara cleaner on that with a bristle, with a brush, and it really makes it look amazing again. Had some spots on it, so I think he eats in his car a lot when he's at track day. So that's all cleaned up now. So looking brand new again on the inside. So any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching as usual. And appreciate you supporting the channel. Like it if you like the video or the car, and subscribe. Thanks. Till next time. See ya.